The News Hour Special Edition.
Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the special edition of the News Hour and I'm Swati Joshi. As the NDA marched to a resounding victory on Friday, Prime Minister not only celebrated NDA's victory but also warned the opposition alliance that the Congress is a parasite, Parjeevi, and their allies are making a mistake by trusting the Congress party. Less than 48 hours later, it appears that the fault lines are starting to get exposed within the INDI bloc. The day's biggest talking point naturally was the manner in which the humiliating defeat for the Mahagathbandhan broke the Lalu family. Lalu's daughter Rohini Acharya has claimed that she was forced out of the family and pinned the blame solely on close aides of Tejasvi Yadav, Sanjay Yadav and Ramesh. She even claimed that she was abused and even thrashed and had no option but to leave her family. Hours later, you also had three other daughters of Lalu Prasad Yadav leave their Patna residence and head to the national capital, further fueling speculation of a possible breakdown of the Lalu Parivar.
नहीं, मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं है। अब ये जाकर के आप संजय, रमेश, तेजस्वी यादव से पूछिए, मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं है। वही लोग निकाला है हमको परिवार से, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना नहीं है उनको। पूरा दुनिया बोल रहा है जो चाणक्य बनेगा तो चाणक्य से आप सवाल पूछिएगा। जब कार्यकर्ता चाणक्य से सवाल कर रहा है, पूरा देश दुनिया सवाल कर रहा है कि पार्टी का ये ऐसा हाल क्यों हुआ। अब जब संजय और रमेश इन लोग का नाम लीजिए तो आपको घर से निकाल दिया जाएगा, आपको बदनाम किया जाएगा, आपको गाली दिलवाया जाएगा, आपके ऊपर चप्पल उठा करके मारा जाएगा।
आपने कहा था कि चप्पल चलाया गया।
चप्पल चलाने की बात अब आप लोग जाकर के वहाँ इंक्वायरी कर लीजिए। सही बात है, ये बात जाकर के तेजस्वी यादव किसके शह पे हुआ है उनसे जाके पूछिए, संजय यादव से पूछिए, रेचल यादव से पूछिए, क्या नाम है उसका, एक और लड़के का क्या नाम था, रमेश से जाके पूछिए। पिताजी मेरे साथ हमेशा है। कल मेरे माता पिता भी रो रहे थे, मेरी बहन रो रही थी मेरे लिए। मुझे भगवान ने मुझे सौभाग्य दिया कि मुझे मेरे इस तरह के माता पिता मिले।
The Bihar defeat seems to have completely divided the Lalu Parivar. While on the other hand, you have Rohini Acharya and three other sisters who've left the Lalu family in Patna, and you also have Tejasvi's uncles who are batting for Rohini Acharya and demanding that the so-called outsiders be thrown out of the family. This has sparked a bitter political slugfest. The BJP is saying RJD is unable to even get their family together, let alone the entire state. Meanwhile, RJD is trying to downplay the entire issue.
देखिए, जो अपने परिवार को ही नहीं संभाल सकते वो बिहार को क्या संभालते हैं। और इसीलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि चुनाव के नतीजे के बाद एक परिवारवादी दूसरे परिवारवादी से लड़ेगा। जो सोशल जस्टिस की बात करते हैं, आज वो खुद के परिवार के अंदर न्याय नहीं कर सके। इसको बिहार की जनता देख रही है, तभी बिहार की जनता ने मोदी जी के विकास को चुना है।
नहीं, देखिए, ये परिवार का मामला है, परिवार के लोग जवाब देंगे और ये पार्टी का शीर्ष नेतृत्व इसको देखेगा पूरे मामले को। अभी तो चुनाव परिणाम आए हैं, इसके बाद से स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन इस तरह के परिणाम क्यों आए, क्या कारण रहे, इसकी समीक्षा होगी। किन कारणों से ये हुआ, इसके बाद ही इस पर कोई प्रतिक्रिया होगी।
What happened, it happens. In a big family, it happens. It happened in Mulayam Singh family also. But what happened? Finally, it was all settled. So, only thing that because if it happens to Dalit and OBC, it is highlighted. And when it happens to so-called upper caste, the media will not ask the question. They are not dying of food and shelters. They are well to do. They have voices and all. It's a family dispute. It's everywhere it happens. Okay. It happened in Pawan Singh also.
So while you have the Lalu family that's breaking apart after the electoral defeat, on the other hand, you also have ex-insiders who are calling out Congress party's top leadership. Former senior Congress leader Shakil Ahmed says he faced disrespect and humiliation from senior Congress leaders, many of whom he claims were handpicked by Rahul Gandhi. He also pointed out that there were no talks or discussions on ticket distribution and that there was a complete mismanagement during the crucial polls. He also claims that Congress candidate Krishna Lavaru, the AICC in charge for Bihar, was involved in a cash for tickets scandal before the polls, yet was still given a ticket.
राहुल जी के अपॉइंट किए हुए कुछ लोग यहाँ आए और उन्होंने एक तरह से हम मुझको ही नहीं ऑलमोस्ट सभी सीनियर लीडर्स को ह्यूमिलिएट किया। कोई बात नहीं, कोई डायलॉग नहीं, कोई किसी इस पर ये नहीं, ऐसे लोगों को टिकट दिया जिनके बारे में तो कांग्रेस वालों ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके, जिसमें एमएलए भी हमारे बैठे हैं, और उन्होंने कहा है कि पैसा लेके टिकट दिया गया है।
No wonder then that the allies are losing faith in the Congress party, while the alliance with the Congress failed miserably in Bihar and is now witnessing a family feud play out in the open. Others believe these are ominous signs ahead of the upcoming state assembly elections, and that's probably why TMC today has this message for the Congress party.
No, what Kalyan Banerjee said, it has got very pertinent analysis. Mamata Banerjee should take the reign of India alliance. The Bihar result has shown one thing at least, that the decline of Congress popularity continues. Now under that situation, the alliance should be given, leadership of the alliance may be given to competent person.
So the Bihar polls, whether it was the voting percentage or the results, have broken records. And not just records, it has also broken parivars. On one hand, you have the Lalu Prasad Yadav family. On the other, the INDI. So was the Prime Minister right in predicting this? Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We're joined by Shehzad Poonawalla, National Spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Himanshu Kumar, JDU Spokesperson, joins us. Advocate Nikhil Jain, Political Analyst. Akhilesh Katiyar, National Spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Dr. Akashdeep Muni, also a political analyst. Good evening to all of you. कटियार जी, मुझे आपसे शुरुआत करनी है। क्या प्रधानमंत्री सही थे? इसीलिए भी आपसे शुरुआत कर रही हूं क्योंकि रोहिणी आचार्य ने जो कहा रमीज के बारे में कुछ कनेक्शन समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ भी, खैर उस पर बाद में आएंगे, लेकिन बीजेपी कह रही, प्रधानमंत्री यही तो कह रहे थे, एक बार आप नतीजे सामने आने दीजिए, उसके बाद देखिए कैसे ये लोग बिखरते हैं।
स्वाति जी, दो मुद्दे आपने खड़े किए। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस परजीवी है, तो एकनाथ शिंदे और शिवसेना के साथ किस तरीके का व्यवहार करके कौन परजीवी हुआ, किसने अपने साथियों के साथ किया, और रिजल्ट आए हुए इतनी बम्पर जीत के बाद अभी तक बिहार में मुख्यमंत्री का नाम आप डिक्लेयर नहीं कर पाए। कौन परजीवी है, कौन सहयोगियों का साथ और सहयोग लेके उनको उनके साथ कैसा व्यवहार करता है, ये विषय बात करने का नहीं, इस बात को देश जानता है और देश देख रहा है। स्वाति जी, इस समय कि नीतीश कुमार जी का नाम अभी तक आपने एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर डिक्लेयर नहीं किया है। दूसरी बात, आज ये विषय लालू जी के परिवार में क्या हो रहा है, कांग्रेस के नेता लालू जी के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या है, आज बहस इस बात की है कि किस तरीके से इलेक्शन कमीशन ने चुनाव को कंडक्ट किया और उस तरीका इसी को लोकतंत्र समझा जाए। क्या इसी तरीके से अब इस देश में आगे चलेगा? आप बाद में ठीकरा फोड़ देंगे कि हार जाते हैं तो ऐसी बात करते हैं, वैसी बात करते हैं और आपकी जनाधार नहीं है, लेकिन क्या इस पे कोई बात नहीं होगी कि क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन ने निष्पक्ष चुनाव करवाए? क्या ये
इतने दिन से बिहार में वोटिंग होने तक, बिहार में उसका नतीजा आने तक केवल इसी बात पर तो चर्चा हो रही थी, एसआईआर। और जो पहला सवाल मैंने आपसे पूछा था, ये नहीं पूछा था कि कांग्रेस परजीवी है या नहीं, मैंने ये पूछा था, प्रधानमंत्री ने ये प्रिडिक्ट किया था कि एक बार आप नतीजे आने दीजिए, उसके बाद देखिए कैसे ये परिवार बिखरते हैं। उस पर मैं पूछ रही थी कि क्या प्रधानमंत्री सही निकले फिर?
नहीं, मुझे तो ये लगता है कि अगर 24 घंटे के अंदर एनडीए ने अपना मुख्यमंत्री वहां डिक्लेयर नहीं किया तो वहां एनडीए ना बिखर जाए।
अरे हैं आप एनडीए की चिंता, आपको एनडीए की सताई जा रही है। शहजाद पूनावाला है यहाँ पर चिंता करने के लिए। शहजाद पूनावाला,
नहीं, ये हकीकत हाँ। स्वाति जी नहीं है क्या? नीतीश जी अलग बात कर रहे हैं, मोदी जी अलग कर रहे हैं,
अभी तक कोई अलग बात, लेकिन अभी तक
हालत और ज्यादा खराब
है। लेकिन अभी तक एनडीए के भीतर से अभी तक एक ही स्वर मुझे सुनाई दिया। बाद में अगर स्थिति बदल जाए तो मुझे नहीं पता कि वैकेंसी नहीं है, ना तो प्रधानमंत्री के पद पर ना मुख्यमंत्री के पद पर। बाकी आप जवाब शहजाद पूनावाला से लीजिए। गो अहेड।
नीतीश जी का नाम,
अच्छा अभी अब आप सुन लीजिए। कटियार जी, अब आप जवाब भी ले लीजिए। हाँ
जी, सबसे पहले छठी मैया की जय और बिहार की महान जनता जनता को मैं फिर से एक बार नमन करना चाहता हूं और मैं तो कटियार जी का धन्यवाद करता हूं। आई थैंक हिम। ही सेड इलेक्शन कमीशन जिम्मेदार है हमारे, वोट चोरी जिम्मेदार है, बीजेपी जिम्मेदार है। कम से कम एज चिदम्बरम डिड, ही डिड नॉट ब्लेम द जनता। चिदम्बरम जी तो बोल दिए कि जनता हैज नॉट वोटेड फॉर अस, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल। सोचिए स्वाति जी, इतना एंटाइटलमेंट एंड सेंस ऑफ डिल्यूजन है। पहले डिनायल था, फिर डिसइंफॉर्मेशन में गया और अब डिल्यूजन है दैट दे आर ब्लेमिंग द जनता। मतलब खोट है बेटा में, दोष देना है डेटा को या फिर जनता को। ताउम्र कांग्रेस यही गलती करती रही कि धूल चेहरे पर थी, कांग्रेस आईना साफ करती रही। 95 elections have been lost. Now when you lose 95 elections, even the people in your party, they feel suffocated and therefore आपने तो दोष किसी को दे दिया वोट चोरी को। शकील अहमद टिकट बेचे गए, तारिक अनवर टिकट बेचे गए, रंजीता रंजन अपने आप को देखो, थरूर साहब look it within. So they are saying that the problem lies within with the beta, with the tickets being sold, ticket chori. But they are saying, these people are saying it's vote chori pehli baat. So therefore there is a party mein split. Now come to the parivar. Now if the, वैसे it is an internal matter of RJD and I don't see RJD has come today. RJD is party of सामाजिक न्याय। अपने घर में तो न्याय कर नहीं पा रहे। और सोचिए अगर घर की बेटी रोहिणी को एक रमीज चप्पल दिखाता है, मारता है, गाली देता है, तो ये पूरा MY इकोसिस्टम रमीज के प्रोटेक्शन में लग गया है। रोहिणी यादव के साथ कोई नहीं खड़ा है। और इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं घर की बेटी सुरक्षित नहीं, सम्मानित नहीं। बिहार की महिलाएं आज थैंक कर रही है बिहार के जनादेश को कि बिहार की बेटी बच गई, वरना बिहार की बेटी के साथ क्या होता। और देखिए उदित राज क्या बोलते हैं, इट हैपेंस एवरीवेयर, इट हैपेंस एवरीवेयर। ये लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं कहने वाली पार्टी कह रही है। इसीलिए मां की गाली दी इन्होंने, इसीलिए छठी मैया का अपमान किया इन्होंने। दिस इज द चरित्र ऑफ कांग्रेस एंड आरजेडी।
निखिल जैन, वेयर इज द लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं माइंडसेट 1? 2, Rahul Gandhi is now being told, not just by the insiders, ex-Congress leaders, but INDI constituents. TMC says Mamata Banerjee should lead. Congress popularity भी खो चुकी है, acceptability भी।
So, Swati, I think some leaders from the TMC often forget that the India Alliance was based on the single principle that in every state, whichever party is the larger party is going to lead it. In Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav's RJD led it. In West Bengal, TMC might lead it. At the national level, the Congress would lead it because they are the ones with the largest number of MPs. Now, whether some leaders of the TMC want their own leader to be the leader of the entire alliance, that is their right to have a view. But that's not going to change the metrics of the India Alliance. Nobody else outside the TMC is asking for that, number one. Number two, you talk about ladki hu lad sakti hu. Again, I don't want to go into the family matter of any particular individual or any political family. Of course, when Shehzad talks about whatever is happening with the Lalu Prasad Yadav family, is he forgetting what was happening with the Paswan family? They are in the NDA, but I don't want to comment on that. Of course, Shehzad will try to give a communal spin even to this, कि रोहिणी पे एक रमीज ने चप्पल मार दी। ये रोहिणी ने कब कहा कि मुझे रमीज ने कुछ करा या रमीज ने नहीं करा? रोहिणी यादव
ले रही है, कह रही है संजय यादव और रमीज पर अगर आप सवाल पूछेंगे तो आपके ऊपर चप्पल तक उठा दिया जाएगा।
She took 2 names, but the BJP spokesperson uses only one of them. That shows the communal mindset with which they led the campaign. They did not have anything to talk about of the 20 years of rule or misrule that they did. All that they had to go on and bank on was whatever happened 20 years, 35 years ago, which is, by the way, not backed by NCRB data.
You've chosen to highlight whether he said Ramiz or Sanjay or not, but my question was not that. अब आप बैकफुट पर आ गए. Now you are very clear कि okay, when the assembly elections happened, TMC will lead in West Bengal. Here RJD was leading, so you are very conveniently the Congress party is trying to save itself and distance itself.
Not at all.
RJD was leading,
no,
so conveniently put the blame on RJD's doorstep.
No, first of all, I'm not trying to absolve the Congress party or its leadership in the state or at the national level of responsibility. If the Congress party has performed from 19 to 6 seats, despite the fact that they've gotten the same vote share, they're of course liable to be held accountable. They have not performed as well as they should have. I am not, trying to absolve them of any responsibility, but the fact of the matter is that the RJD is the one that was leading here, and that can also not be taken away. I'm not trying to pin the blame on RJD. The two parties contested together. Both of them share the blame. It's just unfair for the BJP to only target the Congress party and not target the other alliance partner, especially considering
your own people
this was an alliance that had declared a chief ministerial candidate.
Did you hear what Shakil Ahmed said?
Yes,
that the party seniors were humiliated, that they spoke about some ghapla happening within the party by those who were handpicked by Rahul Gandhi. So how many times is Rahul Gandhi going to fail in his judgment of people and strategy?
No, I heard what Mr. Shakil said. I also heard what Amit Shah said. I also heard what Lallan Singh said. I also heard what Prime Minister Modi has been saying about the chair of the Chief Minister. They say वैकेंसी नहीं है. मुझे तो नहीं पता बिहार में अगर अभी कोई मुख्यमंत्री हो तो. और इनसे मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं अपने बीजेपी के मित्रों से कि आप अब क्या नीतीश कुमार को अगले 5 साल के लिए मुख्यमंत्री बनाएंगे? No, hold on.
आपको इतनी चिंता?
अरे इन्हें हमारी इतनी चिंता होती है.
अभी
इन्हें कांग्रेस की, आरजेडी की, टीएमसी की, आम आदमी पार्टी की
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन का पीरियड होना चाहिए.
शहजाद को जितनी चिंता राहुल गांधी की है, मुझे नहीं लगता कांग्रेस में किसी को होगी जितनी चिंता
शहजाद पूनावाला.
An allegation has been made by me. Let me just clarify. Dear viewers, I am an Indian Muslim. If I take the name of the person who showed the slipper to Rohini Didi, I am being called communal because I took name of Ramesh. If I would have taken name of Sanjay, would that have been lesser? Okay, चलो संजय ने चप्पल दिखाई तो आप बताओ, is Sanjay to be blamed? You used to comment on every issue under the sun, and here you are not commenting on the same ally issue, and it's a family matter for you. She has tweeted. Let me read. गंदी गालियां दी, जलील किया, मारने के लिए चप्पल उठाया. 11:20 16th November 2025. रोहिणी आचार्य from verified angle. He's saying it's family matter. अगर घर की बेटी का मामला इतना बड़ा होने के बाद फैमिली मैटर, इमेजिन इफ somebody would have been raped by आरजेडी कार्यकर्ता, they would have said family party matter. Don't ask. No, one second. I did not interrupt you. Don't. Nikhil, I did not interrupt you. You made a lot of statements on my name also. I did not interrupt you. Now he's saying matrix of India Alliance. वाह क्या मैट्रिक्स है. ये बंगाल में कौन सा मैट्रिक्स है इंडिया अलायंस का? इंडिया अलायंस ही नहीं है वहां पे. हरियाणा में नहीं है, पंजाब में नहीं है, दिल्ली में नहीं है. आज महाराष्ट्र में चेन्नीथला ने बोला नो इंडिया अलायंस फॉर BMC elections, and now what is going to happen in Bihar we also know. But what Mr. Vice President of TMC said, he said that we need competent leader. That means he is saying Rahul is incompetent. ये ना संगत है, ना जनमत है, केवल जनपद है. और ये हमको पूछे कि आपका लीडर कौन है. अरे हमारा लीडर डिक्लेयर है, आपका लीडर देखो कहाँ है. आपको तो लीडर नहीं मानते कोई, ना जनमत ना संगत. बोल दो कि अगले 5 साल नीतीश कुमार शपथ समारोह में आ जाना. शपथ समारोह में आ जाना.
Let me bring in Himanshu Kumar. We have a JDU spokesperson. We have a JDU spokesperson. Okay, all right. I want to bring in Himanshu Kumar. I want to bring in Himanshu Kumar. One second. No, one second. I want to bring in Himanshu Kumar, and then that question remains. That question remains.
See the diabolical smile on his face.
Is he?
में सब छुपा है.
अच्छा, ये तय कर रहे हैं क्या? एक मिनट, ये तय कर रहे हैं. एक मिनट. नहीं तो हिमांशु
कुमार पूरी पार्टी का है.
One second. हिमांशु कुमार पहले when Tejashwi Yadav his name was announced as the CM face and Mukesh Sahni his name as the DCM face, the opposition was worried. They said कि नीतीश कुमार जी को साइडलाइन किया जा रहा है, इग्नोर किया जा रहा है, बीजेपी जेडीयू को खा जाएगी. Now the worry is, the tension is, the चिंता for the opposition is कि क्या नीतीश कुमार सीएम बनेंगे या नहीं बनेंगे, या सिर्फ उनको इस्तेमाल किया गया है. How do you look at all this, हिमांशु कुमार?
देखिए, सभी को नमस्कार और बिहार की जनता को धन्यवाद और बधाई. इतने बड़े जनमत से आपने एनडीए सरकार पे फिर से भरोसा किया है. और जो आप बोल रही हैं, तो हम लोग एनडीए में कभी कंफ्यूजन रहा ही नहीं. आप स्टार्ट से भी देखोगे इलेक्शन कैंपेन में, तो स्टार्टिंग से ही बोला गया कि हम लोग नीतीश जी के नेतृत्व में जा रहे हैं, नीतीश जी के चेहरे पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं इलेक्शन में. तो इसको लेके एनडीए के जितने भी वरिष्ठ नेता हैं वो शुरू से एकमत रहे हैं. तो हम लोग में कंफ्यूजन नहीं था. कंफ्यूजन जहां होता है वहां पे हम लोग अनाउंस किया जाता है, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके अनाउंस किया जाता है कि ये मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा होंगे, ये उप मुख्यमंत्री का. तो वहां पे व्यक्तिगत, आप देखिएगा महागठबंधन में व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ के कारण लोग एकजुट हुए थे. और चूंकि अब उनको स्वार्थ सिद्ध नहीं हुआ तो आपस में ही कलह मचाए हुए हैं, उनका परिवार भी बिखर रहा है. तो हम लोग में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं था नीतीश जी को लेके. अभी अमित शाह जी का भी आप सुनिएगा, उन्होंने बोला कि
नहीं, तो यहाँ पर लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि तो क्या आप शपथ नीतीश कुमार ही लेने वाले हैं मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर?
देखिए, हमारी जो संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया है इसके तहत नीतीश जी के नेतृत्व में फिर से एनडीए सरकार बन रही है. इसमें कहाँ किसी को मतलब समस्या है?
कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं है आपके.
मुख्यमंत्री रहने वाले हैं, बस इतना सा सवाल.
कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं, जब इतना कह दिया कि उनके नेतृत्व में और वही मुख्य.
एक सिंपल सा लाइन बोल दे, अगले 5 साल क्या नीतीश कुमार बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री होंगे?
नहीं, ये क्लैरिटी तो कोई कांग्रेस पार्टी से भी एक्सपेक्ट करेगा कि मान लीजिए कि आपकी वजह से ही आपके सारे एलाइज हार रहे हैं.
बड़ी चिंता है ना, मैं जवाब देने को तैयार. एक सेकंड,
बिहार की जनता है, पता होना चाहिए ना मुख्यमंत्री कौन बनेगा राज्य का.
एक सेकंड मेरे भाई, एक सेकंड. इनको बड़ी चिंता है, पर ये मेरे भी सवाल का जवाब देंगे, ठीक है? मैं आपके सवाल का पूरा जवाब दूंगा, पर पहले
आपको देना पड़ेगा।
अरे भाई
निखिल,
see, if you want to interrupt, then I will also not let you speak.
Go.
Nikhil ji, I am going to answer your question in the next 20 seconds, but after I answer the question, you will tell me what is Priyanka's stand on Rohini Acharya. Now I'm answering the question. For the next 5 years, there's going to be an NDA government, and we have already committed. Not only have we committed, in the past, even when we are the bigger party, we made Nitish Ji the CM. So our actions speak louder than words. Now you tell me about Priyanka.
It's not yet said that in the next 5 years, Nitish Kumar would be the chief minister.
Are you not understanding? हमने करके दिखाया है. Now see, he's not answering about Priyanka and Rohini.
You just say
Priyanka का stand क्या है Rohini पे?
I will answer on that.
कोई जवाब नहीं.
I will answer
कोई
on
जवाब
that. I will answer
कोई
on that.
जवाब नहीं है Rohini पे.
I will answer on that, but you say
रमीश को बचाओ. अब रमीश को
for the next 5 years.
रमीश को बचाओ.
Yes or no?
रमीश को बचाओ.
Yes or no?
आप शपथ समारोह देखिए ना. शपथ समारोह
बोल नहीं रहे. अच्छा एक चीज, हिमांशु जी तो बोलते हैं, बीजेपी नहीं बोलेगी, हिमांशु जी तो बोलते हैं.
हिमांशु जी बोल तो दिए कि कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. Himanshu is saying there is no confusion.
Ask the JDU spokesperson whether
Nitish Kumar would be the
He is saying there is no confusion. हमारे में कोई confusion नहीं है. नेतृत्व हमारा ही होगा.
The election was contested.
Okay, so allow him to speak. Himanshu Kumar.
बिल्कुल हमारी प्राथमिकता है बिहार की जनता की सेवा करना। आप लोगों में था कि मुख्यमंत्री के पद को
निखिल एक मिनट ओके वन सेकंड निखिल वन सेकंड लेट मी क्विकली गो अक्रॉस टू डॉक्टर मुनी नो वन सेकंड निखिल लेट मी क्विकली गो अक्रॉस टू डॉक्टर मुनी ही hasn't spoken. I'll come back to you Nikhil one second. Dr. Muni,
what is your stand on Rohini? You have a stand.
Dr. Muni, can political parties today associated with the RJD or otherwise say that this is a private matter, ये family matter है, ये तो होता रहता है, रोहिणी को धक्के मारकर घर से बाहर निकाल देना?
See, whatever happened with Rohini ji, the law will take its own course and the law should be stringent. But Lalu Parivar did not break. No MLA defection from RJD after results. Tejasvi Yadav remained the undisputed leader. No challenge from Tej Pratap, Rabdi Devi or senior leaders. No, big families, we have seen that they split after losses. But RJD cadre did not revolt, did not defect.
तो घर में ही जो हो रहा है, that is, घर में ही जो हो रहा है, that's fine. I mean, law will take its own course. Some other leader from the Congress says, ये तो होता रहता है family में. That's absolutely fine.
No. The law of the land will take its own course. ये होता रहता है.
So this is not breaking apart.
I'm not saying that. But let me tell you one thing. That till today the BJP and JDU are unable to tell that for the next 5 years Nitish Kumar will be the chief minister because there is infighting, and infighting is in BJP, not in India Alliance. Remember, after BJP's West
Bengal, there is no infighting in India Alliance.
Pardon?
Is there no infighting in India Alliance?
Where there is infighting?
Oh my God, who are these people? Who are these people like Shakil Ahmed and TMC leaders who are saying Congress is losing acceptability and popularity? And Shakil,
I'll reply. Mr. Ahmed,
Shakil Ahmed is no longer a part of the Congress.
People who are associated with the Congress party.
Were associated with तो फिर और भी बहुत लोग हो जाएंगे कांग्रेस में.
अरे ऐसे तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो छोड़ के चले गए पार्टी को बोल करके कि पार्टी में लीडरशिप का प्रॉब्लम है, पार्टी में कोऑर्डिनेशन का प्रॉब्लम है. And when they level an allegation, वो किसी मतलब के नहीं रह जाते.
कोट टू मिस्टर मुनी, क्योंकि मिस्टर मुनी ने बोला कौन है. सुनिए, I'll quote to you. One second. Sir, I'm in the studio. I can interrupt you just like this guy is interrupting, but I don't want to. Listen, Congress is losing acceptable. Sir,
not against Congress party in Madhubani.
Okay, now very good. Now listen.
तो उसको quotation दे कि Congress versus BJP Congress.
Now, Mr. Akashdeep, you have to listen.
He has been expelled. No, let me speak. I did not speak when you were speaking.
You asked who is saying in the India Alliance. I'm giving you the proof. Then you only speak, Baba.
Let me speak now. You have asked a question.
No, you have not asked. You have not answered the question. You asked another question.
Take a rebuttal. I'll come back.
Thank you. Congress is losing acceptability and popularity. Mamta is ideal leader to lead because she's competent. TMC Vice President Mr. Jai Prakash Majumdar. And by the way, he said law and order should take its own course. सामाजिक न्याय का ये ढिंडोरा पीटते थे ना. घर में सामाजिक न्याय नहीं है. करता हूँ. क्या करते हो?
हाँ, बोलिए. अब बोलिए. Please.
Listen to me. You are talking about West Bengal. Remember, after the West Bengal defeat, you know what Dilip Ghosh and Tathagata Roy was saying about BJP? That they inducted, the central leadership inducted rotten elements, and I'm quoting them. Rotten elements into the party. They have no serious course correction. This is told by BJP leaders about BJP.
Okay.
आप बात करते हो कोर्स.
अरे सर, कोई टीएमसी को ला नहीं रहा है बीच में. टीएमसी खुद बीच में आ गई है.
अगर बात कर रहे हो.
No, one second. second. Nobody is forcing
Listen to
TMC to
Swati.
make these statements, Dr. Muni. TMC itself is making these statements,
अरे भाई,
showing mirror to the Congress party. TMC itself is doing it. कोई उनको force नहीं कर रहा है.
After BJP losses, it was BJP leaders who were making comments about BJP.
Okay, one question I want to
TMC
ask.
की बात करो ना शहजाद.
Just one question.
Always interrupting attitude.
अरे मुनि जी आप
finish
अपना
कीजिए.
ये
Okay,
victim
finish,
कार्ड घर में
finish,
रखिए
finish
भाई.
कीजिए.
अपना घर में रखिए victim कार्ड.
Finish.
will
नहीं, मैं किसी का फेडर डाउन नहीं कर रही हूँ. Finish your point.
आपका करियर फेड हो गया है.
Okay, all right. One second. Allow him to finish.
अगर TMC, listen to me. Any TMC leader, like any Congress leader, has the right to say that their leader should be leading the India alliance. But it has been clearly stated. Now Nikhil Jain also stated that within the state, India alliance will be led by Mamata Banerjee, and centrally it is the Congress party because it's the largest party.
No, one line.
That's one line. TMC is not the largest party. ये हर alliance में होता है.
One line.
और जब
हर alliance में होता है. हर alliance में होता है.
NDA में भी ऐसा
Okay,
होता है.
one second. अब जवाब
नई बात नहीं
लीजिए.
है.
हाँ, जवाब लीजिए.
This thing about leadership change in India alliance happened in last parliament session where Ram Gopal Yadav said कि राहुल से नहीं हो पा रहा है, we need change in the leadership. Now I ask Samajwadi Party, do you want Mamata as the leader or Rahul?
You are so worried about.
अरे आप रहने दो ना, आप बोलिए ना, आप तो बड़े चिंतित थे. समाजवादी को जवाब देने दो.
Let Mr. कटियार come in, क्योंकि अखिलेश यादव ने भी ये कहा था, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में कांग्रेस पार्टी आ गई है.
नहीं स्वाति जी, जो दो मुद्दों पे बात हो रही है, हम इस बात से ये गलत है, रोहिणी जी के जो आरोप है, अगर उस तरीके का अत्याचार उस घर में हो रहा है
जी,
तो ये बहुत निंदनीय है. और हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि लालू जी अपने परिवार के साथ ठीक करेंगे और उस बेटी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ, चलिए, कोई तो स्टैंड
दूसरी
ले रहा है
बात
इस
जो
पर भी
बात
है. ठीक है.
शिवपाल
पैसे
चाचा के साथ
लेके
जो ऐसा
टिकट
किया
बांटने की आ रही है, और पैसे लेके टिकट बांटना और ये बहुत सारी जो बातें हैं, ये भी लोकतंत्र में बहुत गलत है, नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर कहीं हो रही है तो भी. और तीसरा, लीडरशिप की क्राइसिस तो इस तरीके की कई जगह देखी गई है. इंडिया अलायंस में बैठ के ये बात आई है कई बार, और हमें उम्मीद है कि कुछ समय बाद जब चर्चा होगी तो रीजनल फोर्सेस में अखिलेश यादव भी एक चेहरे हैं जो देश को नेतृत्व.
तो आप अग्री कर रहे हैं टीएमसी के साथ? आप टीएमसी के साथ अग्री कर रहे हैं? आपको कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं? आपको कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं अगर ममता बनर्जी को टीएमसी जिस तरह से पुश कर रही है उनको सपोर्ट करने में?
नहीं, अब ये फैसला हम लोगों के लेवल पे नहीं है स्वाति जी, इसलिए ये इस पे जवाब देना मेरा उचित नहीं है.
ठीक है, लेकिन आपने अपने लेवल पे ये तो कह दिया कि लीडरशिप क्राइसिस की कई बार बात आई और रीजनल पार्टीज को इसमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. अपने लेवल पे आपने ये तो कह दिया. नाउ निखिल जैन,
आगे बढ़ना
प्लीज कम इन. और ये बात रीजनल पार्टीज को भी पता है. अगर आप ये बोलने वाले हैं, if you're going to say this that INDI में राहुल गांधी is not leading the INDI, this the constituents of the INDI already know, isn't it?
मिस्टर कटियार ने तो बोल दिया जो उन्हें बोलना था, लेकिन अभी तक जेडीयू के प्रवक्ता हिमांशु कुमार ये नहीं बोल पाए कि 5 साल तक मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार रहेंगे. वी स्टार्टेड द डिबेट स्वाति बाय यू giving a quote of a sore winner. We've all heard of a sore loser. You started with the quote of a sore winner. जीतने के बाद भी प्रधानमंत्री feels the need to call the contending parties as परजीवी and this and that. You know what a परजीवी is?
कि बीजेपी खत्म कर देगी जेडीयू को? Was that not said?
वो तो दिख रहा है.
क्या
वो तो दिख रहा है.
आपने उनके नंबर देखे?
Shehzad is trying to beat around the bush. When I ask him the question about the chief minister, I know that. I knew he will do that. Now the JDU spokesperson is doing that, and you have Mr. Lallan Singh sit on the debate. He will do that.
No, but
that is what the BJP has done to the JDU. They've hijacked the party like a parasite. They've eaten up the party from the inside. They've made it hollow to the extent that their ministers, their spokespersons are not able to stand with their own leader.
Look at the performance of all the parties of the NDA. Look at the performance.
One second, JDU has become hollow. How many seats JDU won and how many Congress won?
JDU party बचेगी तो कुछ point.
They have won 85 seats.
Very well.
And Congress is on 6.
Very
and
well.
JDU is hollow. And Congress is fulfilling the dream.
No, my friend, despite that, their spokesperson can't say on television that my leader would be the chief minister. Despite that, despite 85 seats.
Nikhil, voice even I can raise. and more than it. But logic has to be raised. Now you are telling me all the time this thing. इनका एक पार्टी का सीएम बना कर्नाटका में, वो भी 10 दिन के बाद. Till today they can say 5 years का सीएम है सिद्धरामैया. खुद अपना नहीं बता पाते, दूसरों को बताओ. रोहिणी आचार्य पे जवाब दो. और ये इंडिया अलायंस का मैट्रिक्स जिसकी बत्ती बना दी अभी अखिलेश जी की पार्टी ने, उसके बारे में बताओ.
You first answer the question that I asked.
अरे आप सिद्धरामैया 5 साल बनेंगे कैसी है?
Okay, निखिल एक बात बताइए.
सिद्धरामैया सीएम है 5 साल.
Keeps on shifting the goalpost. I will answer every question. I will answer every question if you answer mine.
Okay, निखिल, you said कि बिहार के लोगों की आपको चिंता है.
Because बीजेपी आंसर नहीं देगी, बीजेपी जवाब नहीं देगी.
1 second, आपने कहा बिहार के लोगों की आपको चिंता है. That's the reason why you want to know कि नीतीश कुमार will be the CM or not, and he'll continue to be the CM for the next 5 years or not. Tell me something. If you are so worried, if the Congress party is so worried, then why is P. Chidambaram blaming the voters, saying that the voters did not choose a strong opposition? Why are you blaming the voters for your loss?
First you answer. बोलो, अब कुछ बचा नहीं. बोलो. वाटर बॉटल निकालो अपनी जेब से.
हो गया. See, Swati, when I raised the point about who would be the chief minister, it is about the fact that the BJP and the NDA went into these elections with a certain set of promises which they have no intentions of delivering on, and that also links to what Mr. Chidambaram has said. They are promising people 10,000 right now, 2 lakhs at a later time, leadership of Nitish Kumar. Yet once they've won the election, they're not willing to hold together on any of those promises, and this is the problem. The hypocrisy of the BJP and the fact that they're willing to outrightly lie on everything, whether it is the policy, whether it is the leadership, and the election commission is sitting silent in the election. Let me also remind your viewers one thing.
Swearing in हुआ ही नहीं है.
Let me also
swearing in हुआ ही नहीं है.
Let me also remind your viewers one thing.
आपने 1500 रुपए कितनी महिलाओं को दिए हिमाचल में?
No, let me also.
First you answer my question. How many women you got 8,000 rupees in Karnataka?
See, many.
First don't ask me. No, I'll ask you a question, then you ask me a question. That's your answer?
No. Hold on.
Sir, please tell me Rohini Acharya pe kya stand hai, and what is the stand on TMC saying that India Alliance, Rahul Gandhi is an incompetent nincompoop.
Okay,
quickly a point have to go across to others as well. First of all, the words that you're using for Rahul Gandhi,
incompetent was used by them, nincompoop I added.
So you're twisting what he's saying. So
he is incompetent.
That's not for me to answer. The TMC leaders can have their own view, whatever view they have.
They have a view on the alliance.
So far, he can't keep on interjecting every second word.
Yes. Finish your point. I have to go across to Dr. Muni as well. Yeah.
So far as the social welfare measures for women in Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh are concerned, many payments have been made. I am not sure of the exact figures right now. I don't know the exact figures.
5, 10.
You know, there's every single day there is something about the Khatakat model from Karnataka that comes to fore. Telangana Chief Minister.
What is happening in Maharashtra? What is happening in Maharashtra?
Chief Minister has openly admitted that we don't have money.
25 lakh women have been.
Telangana Chief Minister has said.
Swati, let me just complete. So far as Maharashtra is concerned, Ladki Behna, 25 lakh women have been excluded from the scheme, and their payments are not being made. I know for a matter of fact that Himachal payments are being made in Himachal.
How many women got?
How many of them have gotten in Maharashtra?
No,
exact number. Tell me the exact number.
I am telling you about the admissions that are coming in from the Chief Minister. No, I am telling you about the admissions that have come in from the Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy, saying we don't have money. We don't have money is what he's saying.
Will you ever turn your eye and look to Maharashtra?
Absolutely.
You can hear about Karnataka, Telangana. Do you hear about Maharashtra?
One second. How many implosions of the Ladki Bahin Yojana or the Khatakat model in Maharashtra have come to fore? You tell me that.
They have come to fore. You're just
Has
not
the
raising
NDA
them.
family broken apart in Maharashtra?
Has the India family broken apart in Bihar or in Karnataka or in Telangana or in any other state?
In West Bengal, they are saying change Rahul Gandhi.
One person is making a comment.
The comment was, okay, in Maharashtra also your alliance is broken. Today Ramesh Chennitalla said, we are fighting alone. Do you know this? In PMC elections.
Those are municipal elections. The India alliance was never for municipal elections.
Okay,
it was for a national level alliance. He keeps on raising points that have nothing to do with the debate.
Okay.
He has not been able to answer how will Nitish Kumar be the Chief Minister for the next 5 years?
The moment you tell me if Siddaramaiah is a 5-year CM, I will give you the answer.
I asked you the question first, Shehzad. Answer on
Okay, let me bring in Dr. Muni.
That is why you have to keep on shifting the goalposts.
Dr. Muni, the Congress party will have to take ownership. You cannot hide behind regional parties when you perform so badly and say that is state में तो ये party lead करी थी, उस state में तो वो party lead करी थी. Then why were you even involved in that negotiation process to get more seats? अगर आपको पता था that आप नहीं जीतेंगे and the regional party has to take the lead.
Swati ji, I totally agree with you that two parties fought together So both the responsibility and onus relies on both. Yes, again, Congress has to do some course corrections. Yes, they have to fight aggressively. I've told many a times that you cannot match up with BJP if you are not aggressive, not only with media, but in all spheres. And Karnataka, they're trying to do it, but not as vocal they can be. But mainly, you are talking about Chidambaram's statement. I want to comment on that. Chidambaram said that 65 lakh voters were disenfranchised in this particular SIR process. This is a serious case. And the same thing is happening in Bengal also. Today, kasba pe kasba nikal ja rahe hain. Kasba pe kasba. You send your grassroots reporters.
So then
here.
one would then hope that at least in West Bengal the booth level agents would speak up. So then one would hope that at least in the at least the booth level agents in West Bengal of the Congress party and the other political parties would raise an objection, that they would bring these irregularities to fore. One would expect that to happen, because this is just shoot and scoot politics.
No, I must tell you.
This turns into shoot and scoot politics.
Level officers have called a strike in Bengal. You please, your people don't report it.
Oh, it has been reported. It has been reported. It has been reported, Dr. Muni. Doctor, it's very convenient. It's very convenient. It's very convenient to place the blame on some. It's very convenient to blame. जो सवाल पूछ रहा है, आप उसी को गोली मार दो.
स्वाति जी, BLOs का स्ट्राइक पे क्या आपने डिबेट किया?
अरे BLO ने BLO होते हैं पार्टी के भाई, BLO तो सरकार के होते हैं नहीं.
मैं बूथ लेवल एजेंट्स की बात कर रही हूँ.
BLO बोल रहे हैं, BLO और BLO में अंतर नहीं पता. कहाँ से डिबेट करते हैं?
सरकार के होते हैं, आप गलत हो. BLA सरकार के होते हैं.
अरे यार ये क्या आदमी है भाई, ये BLA सरकार के
बूथ लेवल एजेंट्स पार्टी के होते हैं, किसके होते हैं?
निखिल बताओ, BLA किसके होते हैं और BLO किसके होते हैं?
बूथ लेवल एजेंट्स पार्टी के होते हैं, किसके होते हैं?
निखिल जी बताओ कौन होते हैं BLO और BLA?
You first answer whether
सवाल आपसे जो पूछे आप उसको ही गोली मार दो. तो सवाल पूछे उसको गोली मार दो.
5 सेकंड.
शहजाद पूनावाला.
ये इस लेवल के देखिए ऐसा है, मैं रिक्वेस्ट
अच्छा डॉक्टर मुनी, now you have to hear him out.
Now just now he said Chidambaram ji का पूछा तो Chidambaram ji spoke about 65 lakhs name being deleted in SIR. The same Congress is demanding SIR in Maharashtra. And Mr. Muni does not know BLA is party का and BLO is सरकार का या इलेक्शन की व्यवस्था का. He saying BLO जो है वो सरकार के नहीं होते, BLA सरकार के होते हैं. मतलब ये तो इनका लेवल ऑफ नॉलेज है भाई. आप रोहिणी तक स्टिक करके रोहिणी का जवाब दो यार. आप रोहिणी आचार्य के हुए अत्याचार पर क्या स्टैंड है प्रियंका वाड्रा का, जवाब दो.
First of all, he keeps on shifting the goalpost. He says that the Congress party is demanding SIR in Maharashtra. The Congress party has never demanded SIR in Maharashtra. He's shifting the words. What the Congress party has said is that there are a lot of fake voters in Maharashtra. Why don't you conduct a similar exercise like SIR if you want an SIR everywhere? They have not demanded for it. If you're going to twist a sarcastic statement or a rhetorical statement into a literal statement, then that is just trying to fool people. And Shehzad understands the
thing is that it looks like it also looks like the Congress party is not going to move past this, because the Maharashtra verdict was also challenged in the court, and we know what the court had to say about that. Nikhil Jain, we know what the court said about it.
And we know what the court said in Punjab and Haryana High Court after the Haryana Assembly elections, which are now in controversy. The Punjab and Haryana High Court directed the Election Commission of India to release the CCTV footage of the polling booths. And what happened? Don't interject. Right now, the bigger issue
the debate is on Rohini Acharya. You can see her visuals literally there.
So why do you keep on bringing other points? Why did you bring Maharashtra and SIR?
I did not. You brought it.
You brought it.
Chidambaram से आप लोगों ने निकाला.
A screenshot of it on your.
Because Mr. Muni, instead of answering the question on Chidambaram, went on to
SIR. Go on to courts and SIR and the electoral process, because the Punjab and Haryana High Court explicitly directed the Election Commission of India to release the CCTV footage of the polling booths. What happened? The Election Commission of India, along with the Government of India, in December last year, retrospectively changed the rules. That is, they will apply from a prior date, retrospectively change the rules and said, no, nothing doing. We are not going to release any CCTV footage. What happens in May 2025? They say, from now on, we will delete the polling booth footage within 45 days. 45 days is the period of limitation for filing the election petition. On the first date itself, you will never get an order from the court saying, okay, the footage is to be preserved. They know that even if I wanted to approach the court will not have anything in its power, because they would have already deleted the CCTV footage. Now they're coming around and saying we have deleted this Lok Sabha footage as well. They have not answered on why so many people have their father's name as Abba Dabba Jabba. They have not answered on the fact that how there are thousands and thousands of duplicate voters in every constituency in Bihar. They have not answered on. No, Swati, one more point about Bihar. 7.42 crore voters was the number given on the 6th of October when the voter roll was finalized by the Election Commission of India. Yet in the 11th of November press release, the Election Commission says 7.45 crore voters voted. The electorate was 7.45 crore voters.
Okay.
Where did the extra 3 lakh come from?
The thing is that the matter goes to the court and the court keeps asking for evidence. Nobody submits the evidence.
Evidence was given in the court when deleted voters were present.
Okay. Evidence was also presented.
Council said,
okay,
drama kyun kar rahe ho? That is what happened in court.
You quoted Punjab and Haryana High Court in your submissions, one of your submissions. So you believe the court, right? You believe the court on EVMs?
It was a direction by the court.
You believe the court on EVMs, but?
The challenge to
One second, now don't interrupt. EVMs, the court said nothing is wrong, but you'll still go on about the EVM. The court said Maharashtra elections, nothing was wrong. You still go on about the Maharashtra elections. The court said SIR can continue, did not put a stay. You still go around on the SIR issue. Now, Mr. Nikhil Jain, having answered these irrelevant questions of yours, which are filibustering, Rohini Acharya has said that I was shown a shoe, I was abused. You talk about women's safety, ladki hu lad sakti hu. Can you take a stand on what has been done to Rohini by Sanjay Yadav?
Just because I don't want to run from this topic, I will answer that. But I will just point out to the viewers that you have not yet answered on the Nitish Kumar.
For the last 39 minutes, right?
No. I just wanted you to answer on the Nitish Kumar question, but you have not been able to answer that. It's a straightforward question. If anybody has done any sort of physical violence on a woman, that person should be charged, prosecuted, and that is for him to decide. I can't speak on behalf of Tejasvi.
You wanted to make it CM.
I am neither.
You wanted to make this guy the CM.
Okay.
You wanted him to be the CM.
Okay, gentlemen, I'm out of time. The question remains: was the Prime Minister right? Was the Prime Minister right in predicting that after Bihar results, the INDI is going to break apart? And is that what we are witnessing? Exactly what the Prime Minister predicted. I'll leave it at that. Gentlemen, thank you very much.